Did you accidentally delete your favorite photograph from iPhone? If yes, then you will be happy to know that now you can restore the deleted photos from your iPhone quickly and easily. There are a number of ways in which you can easily recover your lost photo from iPhone. But in this video, I am going to show you how you can recover all your photos or any other files using Dr. Phone. I want to highlight one thing. This software is the world's first data recovery software for Android phone and tablet. Go into the description, download and install the Dr. Phone for free. You can restore a number of other files format like contacts, messages, Safari bookmarks and voice memos. The second step is to launch Dr. Phone. Select the recover feature and then connect your iPhone to your computer using USB data cable. Your iPhone will be detected automatically and you will be taken to the next window. You will find a blue panel on the left with 3 options. Select the option called Recover from iOS device. You will find a menu of different type of data in the device, some of which fall under the deleted category. Choose photos and other category that applies to you. Click on Start Scan. Dr. Phone gives the unique ability to preview your data before retrieving. So you can preview the photo and restore it. Select the images or files that you want to recover and then click on Recover to Computer. Apart from scanning and restoring the data from iOS device, Dr. Phone gives a number of other facilities which include you can also restore your data from iTunes and iCloud backup file. Once this process is done, you will find all the recovered images in your computer, and that's all it takes to recover deleted photos or any other files from your iPhone without backup. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.